Okay, so last time I posted a what's on my phone video and a lot of you, and I mean a lot of you, wanted to know how I made my custom wallpapers. Well, if you don't know, I make a lot of my wallpapers because I have no life. I'm usually not satisfied with the wallpapers online or the default wallpapers. I mean hell, I'm never satisfied with anything. No wonder why my wife left me during honeymoon, am I right gamers? Especially since I use a unique launcher like Niagara Launcher, I had to make a wallpaper that didn't obstruct the apps or that didn't make it look weird. So this is how I made my wallpapers. I hope you enjoy. So the main program that I use is Adobe Illustrator because I'm most familiar with the program, but there are many other alternatives. Actually one alternative because I didn't bother to check. Hello, Editor Kai here. So while I was recording the tutorial for Illustrator, I found that the tutorial kind of went nowhere because it was quite hard to explain like certain things I was doing in a short time frame. So instead, I'm going to teach you how to make a similar wallpaper which looks almost identical but made in Canva. So let's begin the tutorial. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to screenshot your lock screen and home screen of your phone. This is so that you know where your clock is or your widget is, and so that when you're making your wallpaper, you won't obstruct your apps or whatever with your wallpaper. Once you're done screenshotting the lock screen and the home screen, make sure to upload it to the cloud where you can download it to your laptop or computer. The next step on your computer is to find the resolution of your phone. Open Chrome and search the resolution of your phone. In my case, I'm using an S20 FE because I'm Korean. What do you expect? I use a Samsung and my phone resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels. Make sure to remember this as this is going to be important for the next step. Next, we're going to be opening Canva. Make sure you have an account there. Just a disclaimer, this is not sponsored. I wish I was, but anyway, a boy can dream. Create a new design and make sure to input the resolution there. So in my case, 1080 by 2400 pixels. And then create your project. Once you've reached this screen, make sure to create another page and then label both pages lock screen and home screen. Once you're done with that, make sure to go to the upload section of Canva on the left and upload your screenshots from your computer. Once you've uploaded the screenshots, make sure to paste them on the canvas. Once you're done pasting it in, make sure to click the wallpapers and set the opacity to 30%. You can find this on the top right. After you finish that, make sure to click the lock icon for both of these screenshots so that you won't alter it while we're editing for your wallpaper. Next, we're going to be opening QRmonkey.com. Just go to the link down in the description below. Make sure to go to this website. Once you've done that, you can input your link, whatever link you want. In this case, I'm going to be putting my Spotify favorite song, aka Dean, Half Moon. I want my QR code to lead to this song. So I'm just going to get that link, copy it here, and then we're going to hit create QR code. You can alter the colors or add logo images or customize your design. Personally, I like this squared off look. If you choose the others, you're a masochist and you hate people. Once you've done that, make sure to download the SVG version of this QR code because we're going to be downloading the vector format of this QR code. Once you're done downloading, make sure to upload it on Canva and then we can move on to the next step. Next is going to be the fun part. We're going to be putting the elements to the wallpaper. So go to elements on the left of Canva and then make sure to drag a square and then put it in your lock screen. You can change the color of the square as well to whatever color you want. Once you've done that and aligned the square, make sure to paste the QR code from your upload section and then put it right over here. The reason why I told you to download it in an SVG format is because you can change the color of the QR code to whatever you want. Once you've done that, it's all about adding elements now. I'm going to be adding some text by pressing T on your keyboard and I'm going to be using this font right here. I'm going to be adding additional shapes as well, such as this rectangle. And from here, this is pretty much all up to you. You can customize this to whatever you want. You can put whatever text you want. But in this case, I'm going to be putting random numbers. I'm going to be putting a random Japanese quote I found online. I'm going to also be putting random lines as well as these two X's here so that it can add more character. Finally, for the signature, since Canva is pretty limited, instead search for a outline design or any sort of outline picture, outline vector, and then you can put it onto your square so that it looks cool. In this case, I'm going to be putting a leaf picture because, I don't know, I just thought it looked cool, and yeah. Once you're done with the main square, finally we're going to be adding a last touch. We're going to be adding a black and yellow caution stripe thing. I don't know how you call this, God help me. We're going to be putting it on top so that it adds a bit of industrial design to the wallpaper. We're going to be changing the colors as well, and yeah, that's pretty much the lock screen done. For the home screen, it's pretty much a single rectangular column, but I added a few details such as the black and yellow caution stripe thing, whatever you called it. I have no idea what you call it, God help me again. And I'm also going to be adding a few icons as well, such as these leaves vectors, which I thought looked pretty cool. And I'm going to be also adding a number just so that it looks cool, I guess. And this is why I wanted you to paste the lock screen or home screen, is because as you can see, I can see that I'm not obstructing the apps on my phone. So yeah, it will look clean after that. Last step is to make sure to delete the screenshots because you don't want that to be rendered, and yeah. And once you've deleted those, you can click download and make sure it's PNG, all pages, download. And once you click that, it will download a zip file for you. And then once you're done, you can unzip the file and transfer it to your phone via the cloud. And there you have it, how to make your own custom wallpaper. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. A lot of you people have been asking me this, and hopefully this is a more easier approach because the Adobe Illustrator was really a nightmare to record because it was really hard to explain. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much. We hit 11K recently by the time of recording, and honestly, I just feel amazed, and I feel like I'm just super grateful for you guys because honestly, with all the support I've been receiving, I just can't help it but be grateful to you guys. Enough of me rambling. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to drink water, and yeah, bye bye.